maybe, um, fondest memory was when we were shooting the scene where we were using longboard because it's fun kasi yung longboard tapos yung camera nakalagay, yung GoPro nakalagay din sa longboard and then, wala lang, nakita namin yung final na product nung red mask. Eh, maganda siya talaga tignan. So yun, we gotta thank,
Of course, si ano,
Avid.
yes, Direk Avid, and of course, Direk Rico, for making it possible. Of course, yung WhatsApp din, di ba?
Yan yung WhatsApp.
Yeah, WhatsApp.
So, anong fondest memory mo of red masking WhatsApp?
Red Mask din WhatsApp. Fondest memory. Siguro yung ano, yung pagpupuyat. Puyat natin. Kasi diba, parang ilang oras tayo nag-shoot doon just for a 40-second video.
Yeah, short.
A teaser, gano'n.